Hello and welcome to One Bay Auto. Welcome back. Today we're working on 2024 Subaru Forester Sport. Driver's side mirror turn signal. As you can see, there's some moisture in there. There's a hole right there. It's either somebody opened their door and smacked into it. It was like that when I bought it, or somebody walked by and accidentally hit it with something, or the previous owner opened their door into something. It's hard to say. Had a lot of people tell me that these are the common ones to get a hole in them on the driver's side. I have a new one right here. You can use plastic pry tools if you need to, or if you want to. I just use fingernails. And you'll need a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw that goes in this hole. So the bottom one will come off first. I've already got this loosened up so I can film it. So it pops loose. Plastic clips go in the retainer spots. I'll try not to move the camera around too much. And then the top unplugs from these spots here. Set that to the side. Here is the screw we have to take out. And then these wires here plug into the back. So I'm doing this one-handed and a finger in front of the camera. It just kind of pops out of there. There's a clip in there where it clips in, and then over here, these little tabs right here clip in right there to hold that into that little window. I'll try to push in this little white clip on the top, and it comes right off and falls on the floor. This is the busted one. See all that nasty. That's actually ice. It's frozen. So we compare that to the new one. You can definitely tell the difference. So now we carefully plug this one back in. Just like that. Then we get this end in. I'm using the door lock to activate the light. It's super bright now. All right, that's in place. We get our screw. You don't want to over tighten the screws going into plastic, because if you strip them out, that'll be bad. Okay, this one is sitting a little loose. I don't know if that will make a noise while driving. Okay. We will find that out, I guess, later on. Now we snap the top one in place. Make sure all the seams are lined up. Okay. Now when I reached around, I pushed on the mirror. So the mirror's out of adjustment now, but that's okay. So I'll grab my keys and hit the lock button. Hit the unlock. Nice.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
I like those Bluetooth speakers.
Paired.
They're shop speakers with a Bluetooth speaker in each one. They're shop lights. They were a gift years ago. So, yeah, that's changing the light on the driver's side mirror. 2024 Subaru Forester Sport. I hope everything was explained in the video. If not, shoot me some questions. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. With my work schedule, that's not extremely fast. So, yeah, we will wrap things up for tonight. I usually don't like to say, like and subscribe. I don't even know if I have a subscribe thing on my videos. But like my videos, share my videos if you know anybody that does work to their vehicles. You do stuff like this, you can save yourself some shop labor money. Just remember, big items, better to go to a certified mechanic that's got a few years in doing what you need done. But if it's something like this and you're pretty handy at tackling it, I say do it. If you have any questions, I'll always look up people that have done it before. So I will get out of here, and everybody have a good and safe night.